You want to come to the camera? The interview? Yeah. Yeah. Can be famous.
Oh.
Come to TV.
TV.
Yeah. Manukau. The cinemas.
Like a red carpet.
Yeah. All of us, we all invited.
Seems to be a star, eh? Oh, yes.
Did you want to take my class off? No?
Hello, Gabby.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
How's Teresa?
Oh, it's nice. He's sleeping. What is that?
Sleeping. It's 1 o'clock.
Why is she sleeping for?
Yeah.
Tell her wake up and come here.
Yeah.
After lockdown, we haven't seen about 3 weeks now. And when Salome said, you guys come today, I was quite happy.
Malolei, my name's Lecky Burke. I'm one of the young people here helping out with our project between Village Collective and TOA Pacific. The project is all about intergenerational connectedness, bringing both age groups together, our young people and our older people. It's about bridging the gap so we can have safe talanoa and dialogue around some of the issues we face in our community, issues like neglectedness, social isolation, things that both age groups experience in different circumstances. And yeah, this project is pretty much just about bringing us all together under one roof, one family, and learning from our older people, and our older people learning from our younger people as well.
TOA Pacific, TOA stands for Treasuring Older Adults, and that's how the organisation was branded back in 2000, as well as launching the Elder Abuse and Neglect Prevention Program back in 2000. Maria Hamani is my name, and my role here is CEO of the organisation and also the founder of the organisation. The benefit for the older people is just keeping them happy, the interest from the young people, because they all have grandchildren, great-grandchildren, some of them, and some of them are not close to them physically, but having older people coming in and show interest in them makes them happy. But I think the benefit is more on the young people than the older people.
It's so awesome to hear their stories come to the forefront, because a lot of them don't get the opportunity to share their stories. So it's really about highlighting their voices and celebrating who they are, where they come from, and who we are and where we come from.
There's more cause for them to be happy and dance. And when they're served a cup of tea by the young people, it makes them just very happy. There's no other way of saying the happy, the fear, and loto mawhana. It makes them, gives them the biggest smile, and they come ready for it each week.
That's us, team. So our planning's all been done. We don't know how it's gonna go. The oldies might like it, they might not like it, but we're just gonna give it a try and see how all the projects work out. So yeah, wish us luck. Ready, team?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, let's go!
Yeah.